Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main riff of the song I Love Rock and Roll. It's a really popular guitar riff and it's really easy to play in standard tuning, so just take your guitar and let's begin. We start placing the index finger on the 2nd fret 5th string, and with the right hand, at the same time that we play that 5th string, we play also the 6th string open. And then we have a power chord. And we're going to play that 2 times, a little bit fast, because they are 8th notes. And right after, we have a rest. So we mute the strings. And we play that again. Okay? But the second rest that we have is shorter than the other one. It's a really short rest. And after that, we come with the 2nd finger on the left hand to the 3rd fret 6th string. So the whole measure sounds like this. I show you one more time. Okay, and then we come to the 2nd measure and we're going to move the index finger to the 4th string on the same fret. And now with the right hand we play the 5th and the 4th strings. Playing also 8 notes and the rest. So when we play from the first measure, show you one more time. And let's try this part together. 1, 2, 3, and. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, and after that we have again a rest there. And now we're going to play a power chord like this. The index finger on the 2nd fret 5th string and the ring finger 4th fret 4th string. The right hand plays again the 5th and the 4th strings. And we have the same rhythm. 2 8th notes and a rest. So from the beginning, show you one more time. Okay, and after that we do the same that we did when we ended the first measure. A short rest and then the 3rd fret on the 6th string. And when we start the 3rd measure, it's exactly the same as the first measure. Okay, so I'm going to show you from the beginning. Show you one more time. Okay, and now let's try together this part. 1, 2, 3, and. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice, and as I said, the 3rd measure, it's like the first one. And then we arrive to the 4th measure. And that measure is a bit special because all the measures have 4 beats, but that one has only 3 beats. So when we play that first chord, we have a rest. It starts like the second measure, rest. But now, when we come to that chord that we played already on the 2nd measure, we're going to play that only one time, a quarter note. So the 4th measure is like this. 1, and that's all. So right after that, we start with the fifth measure that starts as we did on the first measure, and after that we have only rests. 1, 2, 3. That's the fifth measure. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put together from the beginning, from the first measure to the fifth measure. I'm going to play it one more time. Okay, and now we can try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try together one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and when we arrive to that fifth measure, it was only like this, and we have rest after that. 1, 2, 3. And then we arrive to the sixth measure. It starts in the same way as the fifth, but this time we have only one rest after that, and we start a melody that plays like this. The index finger comes to the second fret, fourth string, and we do a pull off there. Okay, I don't know if you have played the pull off before, but it's just that we don't pick the second tone, that's 0. Instead, when we take away that index finger, we have to play the string. Okay? Then we come to the second fret, fifth string. This melody that we are playing now is the most difficult part of the riff. After that we play the fifth string open and third fret, sixth string with the second finger, the middle finger. And there we have that melody. And right after that we just have to start again. Okay? So I'm going to show you from the measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, I show you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's try those two measures together from the measure 5. Measure 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the whole riff. This riff is the one that they play in the intro and in the chorus. I'm going to show it, I'm going to play it one time and then we try together. Okay, and now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Two, three, one. And that was I Love Rock and Roll. If you want to get more videos like this one, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.